All right, here we are in Olathe, Kansas, doing a little bit of a driveway cleaning. Got my guys here, Josh and Randy. We're finished here. We're just going over the finished product, making sure everything looks good before we leave. What we did here is this driveway, over the winter when there was snow on the driveway, they pulled their snowblower out, not realizing, while they were snow blowing the driveway, not realizing that the snowblower had an oil leak. So there were several little drips all over this driveway once all the snow melted. So they gave us a call, came out, gave them a quick quote. They liked the quote, and then we dispatched the job here to Randy and Josh. Randy and Josh came over here. They put the degreaser down on the driveway, let it set for a while. What that does is that brings all that oil to the surface of the driveway, and that allows us to clean everything that comes on the surface with our surface cleaner. It allows us to clean at lower pressures too, which is safer for the driveway. A lot of people think, oh, concrete is tough as nails. You can destroy a concrete driveway by pressure washing it with too much pressure. So the soap helps us mitigate the damage done to the driveway. But as you can see here on this driveway, it had polka dots all over it when we initially pulled up. No more polka dots on the driveway. On oil though, concrete is still porous. There's still gonna be some shadows where the oil was just because it got down past the surface, and you can only do so much to bring it back. But overall, everything looks amazing. Josh and Randy did a fabulous job, and the homeowner was happy.